Welcome back to Velo Bavarian. Today we've just had a very exciting delivery. It is a new Colnago Y1RS in Team UAE colours. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed. Lots of packaging in this one. Handlebars. Look at those. Yep, they passed the handlebar test. Oh, look at that. We're very excited to get this one built up. Stay tuned and we will post the full build video later on our YouTube. If you were to build this bike, what group set would you put on it? And what wheels would you spec it with? Let us know in the comments.